manger ou quitter manger l'ambiance. Allez, score ou mettre fin n'importe brillant. Chérie, manger banano, manger banano.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ROXSLAY and I'm back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you a wig review on this wig that I have in right now. This unit was sent to me from Ft.Samsbeauty.com. Now, don't be alarmed. It is supposed to be this big, all right? It is from their Curls, Kinks, and Co. line, and this is their style Rainmaker, and I have it in the color 1B. So this is what the stock card looks like right here, so you guys can get an idea of what, you know, it looks like. So y'all see that compared to, okay, y'all see that? All right, well, this is gonna be a really short video, so I'm gonna go ahead and just include the clip of how I installed the unit so you guys can see all the deets and specs. But after that, we are just gonna go ahead and chat it up so I can let you guys know what my thoughts were on this unit and some important information that you may want to know before you actually purchase, all right? So see you guys in the end.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
All right, you guys, so this is the final look right here, just to let you guys know what my thoughts were on this unit and some important information that you need to know before you actually purchase this wig, some common questions that you guys typically tend to ask me. So this unit is big head friendly, y'all. So on top of it already having a lot of volume, it is big head friendly. So I don't know if it looks like entirely too big for me, but there's a lot of volume and it is big head friendly. So this is your standard construction. It comes with 2 clips in the front, 1 in the back with your adjustable straps. This is for 3B to 4C types of hair. It is from their Curls, Kinks, and Co collection. Again, this is style Rainmaker, and I have it in the color 1B. I do believe this comes in different colors. So here are the different colors in the back. So they have like a burgundy, a T1B/30, a 27, the F430, and then they also have a F1B burgundy and a 30 mix with like highlights, and they also have this in a 99J. So I feel like this unit is more for natural girls. Like if you are naturally, like your hair is naturally textured or whatever, like you don't get perms, this is a unit for you. You definitely need this wig in your wig collection. Reason being why is because if you ever want to obtain some kind of like kinky curly type of look, you can definitely achieve this with this hair. I would say you can actually leave your natural hair out and just try to like blend it in with this, even if you like do like a half up half down style, or you know, any of that. I didn't do that with this unit obviously, but I'm not natural, so I do get perms and everything, but right now my hair is pretty kinky. I haven't had a perm in about 2 months, so the roots are pretty kinky right now, so I didn't bother to try to do like a leave out or try to slick it down or anything like that. But this is what the unit looks like. It does come with lace. I did cut that off as you guys saw in the video and everything, and it gives you like a parting space right up in here. So if you look through the wig itself, you can't really see any tracks. So this is actually really perfect if you are a natural girl and you wanted to do a half up half down styles. You can't really see the tracks. At least I don't see them at all up in here. Yeah, I don't see the tracks, like for real, honestly. So I mean, I think that you can definitely get away with doing like a half up half down style, or just whatever style you want if you're natural. I went ahead and just kind of did this, like put it behind my ear, but it's still a lot of hair for me. I do think the wig is cute, don't get me wrong, but I just feel like it's a lot of hair for myself. Like I don't know if I would actually wear this out. But I mean, it's kind of cute though. Like, I don't know, I'm kind of digging it. Y'all let me know what you think. But yes, I did receive this hair from Ft.Samsbeauty.com. It is from Sensationnel by their Curls, Kinks & Co. Again, textured wig, lace wig actually. And let's see. Let me put it off. All right, you guys, so yeah, definitely let me know what your thoughts were on this unit, and if you loved it, if you hate it, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you exit off my channel. I do upload videos at least 3 times per week, and sometimes more depending on how many wigs that I have to do in a week. All right, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that review. Definitely stay tuned because I will be back with more videos pretty soon. See you guys on my next video. Bye.